Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel Nimra Fashion Creation. How are you friend? I hope that you are all fine or are good, doing very well. Today in this video I'm bringing for you very amazing and very yummy birthday cake and very beautiful latest Christmas cake designs in which you will find 15 plus amazing Christmas birthday cake ideas. Viewers for girls, these are always stylish Christmas cake images you will find here in this video. Cake decorating ideas, very beautiful and very unique collections for Christmas cake ideas. These are art designs, are very beautiful and very nice collections. Viewers, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button. After clicking the bell icon button, you will get notifications of all my videos. And get many more amazing ideas related to cake ideas and many other amazing ideas related to home decor ideas and very yummy cake recipe. I hope you will love this video and you're going to enjoy this video. These all designs are looking very awesome. And very beautiful, very pretty collections of cake ideas in which you will find Christmas cake designs which are looking very unique, very awesome. If you want to get this type of cake recipe for you, very useful and very suitable for you, so you can try this type of cake. Give me your feedback. How was the video, how are the designs, and which type of material you want to see on my channel. You can comments in the comment section. Viewers, these collections especially for you for Christmas cakes. I just can try this type of cakes. If you want to be keep updated by the latest trends related to cake decorations, combinations ideas and many other decorating ideas, you can visit my channel. I uploaded almost 100 plus pictures on daily basis for my viewers of my friends. So, and please, if you visit my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon button. Keep supporting me by sharing my videos with your friends, with your relatives. Keep sharing my videos and also keep visiting my channel. Viewers, till the next